All right, everybody, today we're doing upper and lower rear control arms on this convertible 2-valve Mustang. We'll go ahead and show you what we got going on. Customer says there's shaking and everything in the rear. Well, this is loose. And then even that bushing is done. The lower control arm bushing. So let's get this one pulled out and I'll show you what the bushings look like. Got the upper control arm out. I would say that's done. Bushing's trash. New ones are installed. Not too bad, not too bad. Now we'll grease up the circs and then we'll get to the lowers. Okay, everyone, so now that we got the actual upper control arms replaced, we're gonna go ahead and do the lowers. We flip the camera around, I'll show you exactly what we need to remove in order to do so. In doing the lower control arms, we need to first remove the sway bar, which is these 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here. Then we're gonna actually do one side at a time. We got the 2 bolts here, and then there's a bolt here, sorry, one bolt here. You need to slowly do it because you don't want this spring here popping and hurting you. So let's go ahead and get these removed and we'll see how bad they look. Always have a transmission jack handy when doing these, because when this comes down, if you do not have the jack, the spring's actually gonna force it down and that spring can hurt somebody. So, you know, there's the lowering spring. Let's get this upper bolt out here and let's get the new one. Okay, everyone, so now that we've got the rears installed, what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish putting up the sway bar, and then we're actually gonna go put it on a drive-on lift. You never wanna tighten the suspension down unloaded. Always put a car on the ground, or if you can, take it to a shop and put on the lift. So that way you can tighten everything down with the suspension loaded, and it's gonna be in its natural resting position. Okay, everyone, so what I realized in editing this video is that I didn't film an outro at the time. We were super busy at work and I needed to get the car off the lift so I can get another car on. One thing to please keep in mind when doing rear suspension, you wanna have the bushings at normal resting position when tightened. If you don't, it causes premature wear, and I hope you guys take that tip, and I'll see you on the next one.